What should we do here? Nothing comes to mind at first, Should we try squaring both sides? No, that does not work. But wait, I have an idea. Let us raise both sides to the 5th power. This is going to create a beautiful pattern with the x's and 5's. Remember, if a math problem does not look clean, you can always manipulate both sides. You can change it a bit without breaking the rules. This reminds me of a clever exponent rule. We can actually swap the inner and outer powers. Watch closely what I am doing here. This rewrites the equation as x to the 5th. Raised to the power of x to the 5th equals 5 to the 5th. Oh, look at this perfect symmetry. Because both sides match the exact same pattern. We can easily say that x to the 5th equals 5. Therefore, x equals the 5th root of 5, right? So if you cannot solve a problem right away, just try modifying both sides. Math is not as complicated as it looks.